Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Safe and fuel efficient, this Trax is a versatile city-smart urban cruiser. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Chevrolet MyLink voice activation, rear lip spoiler, Bluetooth, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Car and Driver explains its light-effort rack-mounted electric power steering, however, provides ample feedback, and this little crossover SUV remains composed even on bumpy roads. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.